Okay, sorry we lost you there for a moment. There must be something to do with the wire mesh outside, so sorry about that. I'll introduce myself again, John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, making open homes easy for busy people. And I'm standing now in the entranceway to a beautiful Hannah's Factory apartment at 14 Leeds Street. It's apartment 6. This apartment is absolutely special. I can't be more proud of the listing. It's just an absolute brilliant apartment. This apartment is part of the old Hannah's Factory building, which was converted into apartments in 1998. And a lot of the original features were kept in here. So one of the things I really love about this apartment is that we've got a toilet under the stairs. Just very quickly. So we've got, the apartment's got 3 lavatories altogether, which is always a fantastic thing to have. Okay, so we're going through now into the main living area. But before we do that, we'll come back to this. So we'll go upstairs to have a look at the upstairs part first. You will notice the stairwell is beautifully finished off. Remembering this was done in 1998 and it's in really good condition. I do love the lights over the stairs. Another really nice feature, and you'll see there's lots of nice little touches, industrial type touches here, all throughout. So we're going into the guest bedroom. One of the guest bedrooms. We've got 3 bedrooms here, and you'll see straight away the lovely high stud height and the beautiful exposed bricks and the windows. So we've got these fantastic steel frame factory windows, and what I'd like to tell you about these as well is that they're all double glazed. It's just beautiful. Lovely sized bedroom, lots of natural light, and really nice setup, so really nice understated elegance. The next bedroom's just straight through on the other side of this very short corridor, and similar. I guess the most significant thing about this room is it's been set up as a home office, which means you can have options, so 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and an extra toilet, but this could be used as it is now as an office, a nursery, guest bedroom, whatever, extra family member. Now, one of the great features about the apartment too is this wonderful bathroom. It's an original style bath, and we've got also a really nice stud height here, so there's lots of room in here. And you'll see the wooden trusses above. You may have also noticed the steel beams, the industrial style expel air. Nice and spacious. So we've got a shower, freestanding shower and a bath in that area there, so that's really nice. Very tastefully done. Now we're going to walk down this nice little hallway here through to the main bedroom, and you'll see the beautiful wood. Lovely polished dark stained wooden floorboards, which will be original from the building. I'm not sure what sort of wood it is, but it looks to me like Kari. Don't quote me on that in the media. This is the main bedroom, and it's fantastic. Now, one of the things about the main bedroom is it does have an extra layer of these internal ranch sliders to block off any noise from downstairs, but also from the outside. Plus we've got these beautiful drapes, so that's all for light and for sound. Lots of room here, plenty of storage space, really quite an elegant bedroom, and of course the lovely stud height too. Can't say enough about the stud height. It's just does add another sense of grandeur to the apartment. And another thing too, from here you can look down below to the dining table area. Wow. Right, so let's go and have a look in here. So we've got this lovely walk-in wardrobe, and that comes through to the ensuite. Nicely set up ensuite, good room. Nicely appointed, and behind the door, it's another little great feature here behind the door, Alex won't like this because he'll see himself in it. We've got this full-length mirror for getting dressed and stuff with a light over it. A little thing, but it's just another element that just sets this place off. There's so many nice little touches to it. Okay, so we'll go downstairs now. Oh, before you go, if you go to this top stair, I'll just mention behind these beautiful doors we've got the laundry. So that's very handy to the bathroom and the bedroom, so that's nicely positioned as well. Okay, let's carry on. Now, in lots of ways, the downstairs or the main floor level is the most exciting for me, because we'll go straight ahead and look at the lovely big window. This has got to be a feature. All of these lovely big steel frame windows have got to be a feature here. And the kitchen. So this is a beautiful kitchen. There's lots of really neat industrial touches to it. These kitchens in this whole building are very much along the same lines. We've got to remember that this was done back in 1998, so the developer at the time and the architects really still need a big round of applause. This place, just the character has been maintained, and it's just beautiful. You won't see it anywhere else. The craftsmanship that they've used here, the finished product is just amazing. So we've got gas hobs here, which is always really good to have. Not many apartments overall have gas for cooking, so that's a really neat thing. And look at it, it's beautiful. It's a smeg, and it certainly has been well maintained, lovely polished surface. We've got these shelves here, for pots and pans, double sink. Now I want to make mention too of these shelves here. One thing that you might like to know is when they had the earthquake back in 2016, these glasses were on here in exactly the same place. Not one was broken or fell over. So that says a bit about the way it was put together. These here too are quite neat. You've got these sliding shelves, steel shelves, just gorgeous. And we open up to the living area. Beautiful big bay window. Now this bay window here is over 2 floors. And I have made mention to it upstairs, but every pane of glass in this beautiful lattice here is double glazed. And it's only recently been done since the current owners have had it. They've been here for 13 years, so over time they have really looked after it and made sure these little touches have all been addressed. And it's just gorgeous. Nice living area. So the downstairs part of the or the main floor, if you like, of the apartment is really for this lovely big open living, dining, kitchen space. So you come home and you lounge here, and it's just a really nice setup and all of this beautiful character. Okay, so let's talk about the apartment and the reasons why you'd want to buy it if you haven't already got one. So it's on the market at buyer inquiry over $850,000. It's being sold by a way of tender, if not sold prior, and the tender close date is the 2nd of October, which is a Wednesday. But I'll just reinforce it's on the market as tender, if not sold prior. So some of the key benefits of the apartment, apart from the beautiful character, is that it's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a separate toilet again on the downstairs level, our car park and a storage cage. And that's all at buyer inquiry over $850,000, so it's wonderful value for money. Now we've got an open home here tonight, so it's Thursday the 12th of September at 5:30. We've got an open home here this evening if you want to pop in on your way home from work. We've also got an open home on Sunday at 1 o'clock, so that goes for 3/4 of an hour from Sunday, from 1 to 1:45 on Sunday. So please come along. If you want to have a look for yourself, please get through here as soon as you can. Now I have to tell you, we've had an amazing amount of interest in this apartment already. It's been on the market for 2 days and I have been bombarded with inquiry. So if you like it and you think you'd like to buy it, then please get in touch with me straight away. because it is gorgeous and it will sell and it's going to get a good price. So there you go. Now, one of the things that you'll need to do too is to get a hold of me for an information pack. Now, I do have a full information pack on this apartment, which is on a Dropbox link in an email, and I can send that to you. So if you email me, if you phone me, or if you get in touch with me on Facebook, so that's jkittle@tommies.co.nz, or on Facebook or phone. That'd be really good, and I can get that email off to you straight away. So there you go. Here we have it. I don't think I've left anything out. Just really love this place, and I know if you like it, do come and see it. It's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. So while we're here, we'll just go outside as well, because I do want to say something about the location. You couldn't get more central in this. This is the walk-through between Leeds Street, between Gusney Street and Dixon Street. I can smell the coffee from the Leeds Street Bakery from here. Down in the corner over here, we've got Golding's Free Dive Bar, which is really handy. Looking up Leeds Street, we've got Fortune Favours, which is really handy. Round the corner, you've got Cuba Street. Over the other side, you've got Taranaki Street. You've got the harbour down the road. Everything's just so central here. You couldn't really be in a better part of town. If you enjoy urban living, this is for you. I've said enough. Goodness gracious me. There you go. Thank you very much for tuning in. This is John Kettle, at home in the city, Tommy's apartment specialist, saying over and out. I've said enough. Thank you very much.